Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student. Say hi to the camera, madam. We're running through the driving test. We're at a South Florida location. And as usual, I cannot tell you where it is, but I can show you landmarks to kind of give you an idea of where we are. If you know the DMV locations, you will know where we are just from what it looks like. Alright, so we're gonna run through the driving test one more time. She has been practicing. She's ready to take her test. Yeah. Alright, so they're gonna ask you. Oh, before I say that, I'm saying this in all of the new videos because I feel like I need to say it. Watch the video to the end, please. Everyone is well, not everyone, but a lot of people are asking questions without watching the videos, and I can tell because they're asking me things that would be a minute into the video. If you just watch the video, you will get the answers to the questions that you're asking. Alright? Now let's get into the video. They're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
To your left.
What else do you do?
You put the car in parked, you pull your handbrake up, and you turn off your ignition.
Okay, cool. Alright, go ahead, do your turn signal. Signal left. Signal right. Blow the horn. Press and release the brake. Okay. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. Turn it all the way right. Okay. Straighten the wheel. 1, 2. Alright, cool. Alright, so they're asking you to turn the wheel all the way left so they can check the left front tire, all the way right so they can check the right front tire. You blow the horn, obviously, to make sure the horn is working. You press the brake, make sure the brake lights are working, and the turn signal lights has to be working. Otherwise, they will not take you out in the car, right? So you have to make sure everything is in working order before you come to the DMV. Now, the examiner will come into the car after they give you all of those things to do, and they'll tell you basically to listen and follow instruction. So we're going to reverse from here, and we're going to go to the right. So reverse until your mirror is past the end of the white parking lot line. Look behind. Okay, stop about there and turn. Yeah, if anytime you're reversing, they expect you to be looking behind. That's good. Stop. Put it in drive. We're gonna go all the way down to the stop sign. Alright, signal left. So they're gonna tell you to come down to the stop sign and make a left. Come to a complete stop here and look both ways. Stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Alright, go ahead. Make a left and then make a quick left. Alright, stay close to the right side and park in between the cones. I feel like I hear the wiper going on.
The wiper on the back?
The back wiper, yeah. Alright, reverse. I had to take off the wiper because of the sign. It'll mess up the sign. Alright, so when you're reversing, as soon as your mirror is past the cones, you're going to be turning, so you're going to the right. Keep going back a little bit more. Hearing it.
Yeah, I'm hearing it too.
Alright, go all the way down to the stop sign and make a left turn. So you signal, right? As soon as they tell you that you're gonna make a left or right, you signal. If you don't signal, you will lose 4 points for each one.
Okay.
Stop completely. And you see how you kind of cross the line here? Stop right behind the line.
Okay.
Alright, go ahead and make it left. We're gonna make a left again. As soon as you go around this corner, I want you to stop. Stop here. Alright, so you're gonna speed up to 20 and do the sudden stop.
Okay.
Now, if the road is wet, like I said earlier, they won't let you do this, but you know, just because we're doing a video.
All right.
Seriously, do it.
Video's sake.
Yeah. Alright, speed up to 20, do your sudden stop. And stop. Okay, cool. Alright, reverse, straight back. Just keep the wheel straight, roll back. Okay, stop here. Alright, 3-point turn. Look. Wait!
Oh my god, guys, this is an inside joke, okay?
Wait! That is mad. Okay, stop here. Okay, put it in reverse. All the way to the right. Look over your left shoulder. You gotta be looking. Keep going, man. A little bit more. I mean, in this car, stop. In this car, it would work right here because it's super small, right? But in the car that you're gonna take the test in, you'd probably need to back up to about this point.
Oh, okay.
Stop at this stop sign here and make a right turn. Make another right. And then park. Okay, stop here. Cool. Put it in park. All right. How do you think you did?
I'll give myself a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Because I learned from the best.
10 out of 10 ain't bad.
Yeah.
That's perfect. You did good anyway. So yeah, I know you can pass. 100%.
100%.
So just let me know as soon as you get it. All right, tell these people to subscribe to the channel.
Okay,
please.
you guys need to subscribe to the best and book your classes with the best. Okay,
Thank
you're
you.
guaranteeing getting your license. Okay.
She's right. Everyone that I teach get their license, so she's not really making that up. That's a fact.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for watching, people. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next video.